Installing a user from Google Drive to Proloquo2go. The first thing you're going to want to do is open the Google Drive app. Next, you need to find the Proloquo user backup in your Google Drive. Here, it appears at the top of my screen. If it does not appear, you can use the search menu at the top. Once I open this document, you can see that it says that this document is not supported. In order to use it, I'm going to have to press the three dots at the top and select Open With. It's going to export it, and then I'm going to be able to choose Proloquo2go. Proloquo2go will open the file, and then I'm going to have to choose between Restore Now or Later. I'm going to choose Restore Now, and then I'm going to get the option to restore to one of my users, restore to a new user, or cancel. This time I'm going to say restore to a new user. I'm going to type my new user's name, then hit Next, then hit Finish. Now the vocabulary for my user will appear. Thank you.